Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make a super amazing, healthy and delicious buckwheat with tomatoes. So in this recipe I'll show you how to boil the buckwheat or how to cook your buckwheat from scratch and how to make a delicious lunch. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Here you'll find delicious, super healthy, quick and easy recipes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and let's get started. So for this recipe we'll need just a few simple ingredients. We'll need buckwheat groats. I have here raw ones, you can have the roasted, that's not a problem at all. And I'll link in the description for the video for how to cook buckwheat, two ways. 1 onion, half of leek, 3 cloves of garlic, chopped tomatoes, so I have here 2 cans, salt and pepper and some cayenne pepper for that spice. So I'll start first by rinsing the buckwheat and I'll put it to a boil on medium heat and bring it to a boil after to simmer it for 20 minutes on low heat with the lid on. Meanwhile the buckwheat is boiling, we'll prepare our veggies. So just slice the onion, the leek and finely chop the garlic cloves. On a medium heat, in a deep frying pan, add the oil, about 3 tablespoons. Add the onion, leeks and garlic and fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. So after the veggies are nicely caramelized, just add the chopped tomatoes and simmer them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the salt, pepper and the cayenne pepper and give it a mix through again. So now the buckwheat is ready. Just transfer the buckwheat into the veggie and tomato mixture. Mix it well, put the lid on and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. So this was my recipe of buckwheat with tomatoes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love buckwheat because it's so versatile, it's very healthy, it's considered to be one of the superfoods, and you can use it in so many recipes, like from desserts, breakfasts and lunches or dinners. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.